Hey, Alex Ferrero with Green Scene Home Inspections. Up in an attic right now in Arlington, doing a re-inspection for a house I looked at a couple weeks ago. Now, the original deficiency that I observed was a hole on the roof level, introducing moisture into the attic space. I've returned to the property. They have placed a cover onto that hole. What I did observe here in the attic at our furnace unit, flip you around here, is that we have our intake, which has accumulated water. I don't even want to pull on this too much, but this is about 20 pounds of water accumulated in that duct. So this does introduce moisture into the HVAC system, and also it runs the risk, if this connection is to break, we are going to discharge that water directly onto our framing and to the finishes below. So regardless of the age, always get a home inspection. Give us a call. Green Scene Home Inspections. Thank you.